like Santa Monica itself has the farmers market, it's got the ocean, it's got the pier, it's got great shopping, and the cool thing about the promenade is there's all these musicians here that are giving you free entertainment.
I was the first one in the market with white nectarines.
It's not necessarily strength, but it's coordination, timing.
Happy Wednesday, everybody. Is that what day it is? Is it Wednesday? Happy Wednesday. Spend some time apart and do some searching for our souls. I graduated from UCLA like a year ago, and I've been living in LA, so I've just started working on the promenade kind of in the last couple of weeks. And you just go to City Hall in Santa Monica, you pay I think $37, and you bring 2 passport-sized photos, and you get your permit the next day. There's little rules about how far you can be from like certain curbs and streets and sidewalks and stuff. You can be here from 12 to 2, and then you have to go to a new spot from 2 to 4, or a new spot after that from 4 to 6. And I think you can play all the way up until midnight. But other than that, it's free reign, and it's a great way to connect with people and make a living as an artist, as a musician. I wanna feel you like hold on my skin.
Peaches and nectarines is by far the hardest farming there is in the world because it's so complicated. You make a mistake, and if you aren't careful, you can kill the tree, and then you start all over, and the lead time for a tree to come into production is 4 years. So if you make a mistake, you've lost 4 years of fruit. This is year 21 summers in Santa Monica. To just kind of cruise the market, get a sample here, a sample there of whatever you're interested in, have an idea of what you're looking for, but not be afraid to be tempted to order something else. I would say, well, try not to limit yourself just to yellow peaches. Let another flavor be a possibility. It's the main thing, is you want to be able to celebrate the seasonality of farming in California. Pretty much the chefs, the really good chefs, are here early in the morning because then they get the pick of the crop. Flavors that they think that they can play with. Oh, we don't go to the beach. No, like today, I mean, I don't think I've walked on the beach here in 15 years.
When you first get up, you're going to put both feet on.
Both feet right away?
Just put both feet on.
That first one, I'm looking straight ahead. If anything at the pole in front of me or some other focal point in front of me. Whatever starts to move, you compensate for on some other part of your body. Somebody I dated years ago brought me down to the rings. I didn't know what they were. I was very curious. So I came down one night and nobody was out here. I tried them. I couldn't do it. I kept slipping off. There's like something about it that keeps you want to conquer it in some way. And it becomes very addicting. I'd keep coming back, even at night when people weren't here, so that they wouldn't see how badly I sucked. Eventually I started coming out on Sundays where more people were here and meeting people. We have doctors, lawyers, one of these guys was a condom salesman. You know, it's a pendulum. So it's really about learning to get yourself to get from one side to release and get yourself to the next. And then eventually it's technique. And everybody has their own style. I remember after like the first year, somebody told me, wait till you start having dreams. And I start to fall asleep and I feel myself rocking back and forth in bed, or having a dream about how I can finally get into the next move.
yoga and meditation book. I'd like you to take